So before we move on, what I want to do is I actually want to set up the loop that will keep this going until we exit the program. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is I want to see what part of this is going to get repeated. Okay, and what gets repeated between each transaction in the ATM is they're going to do all the transactions, and then I don't need to welcome them each time, right? Because they've already been welcomed. Welcome, welcome, welcome. One time is enough. But they do need to see the menu each time. So I'm going to start my loop right here, and all of this, I'm just going to put that whole block into a loop. So here's how we do that. I'm going to go to line 7, hit enter. I'm going to give myself a couple of spaces here. And right there above the menu, I'm going to type while true. I'm going to create an infinite loop, and I'm going to highlight every line below that, all the way down to the bottom. Okay, so I'm highlighting all of that, and the reason I'm highlighting that is because if I highlight the whole thing and I hit tab, then it indents everything exactly the same amount. And now I have an infinite loop. So if I just run this right now, there's my welcome. And if I choose, I see an error. What do you want to do? Okay, so what do I want to do? I'm going to check balances. What do I want to do? Now, each one of those choices just has pass in it, so it's not going to really do anything. Even exit doesn't do anything. If I type a number that's not a valid choice, then it says that's not a valid choice. But other than that, I haven't programmed it to do anything. So what do I want to do? I've got an infinite loop here, and I've got this exit, which is number 4. So choice number 4, instead of pass, there's a different word I want to put here. If somebody chooses number 4, what do I want to happen? What word should I put there? Break, right? I want to break out of that loop and into the program. So I'm going to type break here, and the goodbye statement that will be run only after they break out of the loop is saying, thanks for using Bank of Bill. Okay, so if I run that and I choose exit 4, then it says thanks for using the Bank of Bill, and the program ends. There's my exit. So now I've got the exit program and I've got my structure all set up. But here is my code that we did before that allows me to check my balances. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to highlight that code. There we go. I'm going to uncomment it, and I'm going to cut and paste it into number 1, which is check balances. So I just paste that right there. And now anytime I want to check the balances, I just press 1 and it will work just the way it's supposed to, right? So I go here, press 1, there's my balances. I might want to say, before the for loop, print, and I'll give it a line. Here are your account balances. That doesn't need to be capitalized. There we go. Okay, so now I run that again, check my balances, and it says here are your account balances, and there we go. So there, now I have, of the 4 menu choices, 1, 2, 3, and 4, I've already done 2 of them now. So now I just need to do, what does a deposit look like? What does a withdrawal look like?